should it come at the cost of spending rupees 3,600 crores?
It kind of bothered me also.
We don't have clarity as to the facts as to, whether they will be able to recoup the investment or not. Is it
3,600 crores is less than 3 months of alcohol consumption in Mumbai city.
There have been instances of governments spending huge amounts of money on building statues of national icon and heroes. To set the context, I am from Bombay, and a huge number of people from Mumbai, including me, see Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj as an eminent warrior and icon. That being said, the government of Maharashtra recently allocated rupees 3,600 crores for building a Shivaji statue. Sadhguru, my question is that respecting national heroes and taking pride in history is important, but should it come at the cost of spending rupees 3,600 crores, especially when you have important socio-economic issues still pending? In Bombay, there have been bridges which have, which have fallen down. There are entire families who have been killed. There are public schools which have only received 25% of the funding.
All the many things that we need to do in this country, there's not one thing or two things.
Yeah.
There are so many things we need to do in this. At this time, is it necessary to build a statue? Well, it is not my personal choice to build a big statue, but at the same time, when I inquired about this, because it kind of bothered me also when I look at the number of how much it costs, then I was told this is going to be a technology center of an experience of India and Indian culture and variety of things. They want to make it a tourist attraction of the tourist attraction in the country, Mumbai being the commercial capital. So they have some vision. I don't know how it'll pan out, because it's the government executing the vision, but they have a vision, and hopefully it'll turn out in such a way that it'll be a big tourism draw for Mumbai. Right now they feel Mumbai has commercial travelers but no tourists coming to India. Tourists coming to India avoid Mumbai for variety of reasons. They want to change that with this one project. Hopefully they do that. And Chhatrapati Shivaji is an inspiration for all the Marathis for everything. So they want to build his statue. I don't know how tall it is. How tall it is? So I don't think the main budget is for the statue, it is for the complex that they're building. They're saying it's going to be a tourist draw. If it is so…
Fine. So, I understand that we don't have clarity as to the facts as to, whether they will be able to recoup the investment or not. But there were some people who just to let you know, and then you could also give your view on this. There were some people who did statistical studies on this. They said that Taj Mahal, which is the most popular monument in India, has 25 crores coming from it annually, 25-30. And this is 3,600 crores, which means that if you even if you don't include the cost of maintenance, this will take 150 years just to recover.
That is very simplistic economics. I don't know why… For anything illogical, a few people are always clapping, motivated in a certain way. Please, this is very illogical economics. This is not how that project is being planned, because from what little I know, I'm not an expert on this, let me admit that I don't know much about it, but it's not only about the statue. The statue is probably to pacify a certain groups of people so that they support that and they don't, start a protest against this tourism project. The project like this will not be like… See, Taj Mahal is one ticket entry. This is not going to be like that. This is going to be many things about Indian culture, and this is not going to raise… it is not like 25 rupee ticket, you pay and you enter and go. And anyway, these kind of projects, it is going to be economically viable because we've been working on the river projects with Maharashtra's finance minister. They're very, astute about money. So I'm sure they'll work out an economic module, I have no doubt about that. But beyond that, a tourism project, something that you're trying to draw people into the town, means they will stay in the hotels, they will eat, they will do many things, they'll spend money in the town. So there is… economics is in many places. So out of… just to see Taj Mahal, people to come to India, Do you think just with a 50 rupee ticket they enter? For foreigners, I think it's 100 rupees or something. They enter and they go away? No, they will eat, they'll stay in a hotel, they'll buy things, Indian arts, crafts, everything sells. So it is very simplistic to look at this is gathering 25 crores, this will take 150 years. No, that's not the way to look at it.
Fine. So we'll move on to the next question, but I'm sorry, I'm indulging myself here. Even if it is not 3,600 crores, even if you are going to recover it in the future, when you have children who are, when you have children who are dying of malnutrition, when you have schools which have only 25% public funding, wherein the rest of the 75% hasn't come, when you have this amount which is 7 times the amount which Maharashtra allocates
I'll
for
tell
building
you,
rural roads,
this
is it necessary?
3,600 crores is less than 3 months of alcohol consumption in Mumbai city. Why don't we abstain for 3 months and build the damn thing, whatever it is?